Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and a firm first lift. Power down and unplug the laptop so you don't press keys or short anything. Place it on a clean, flat surface. Once done, find a corner with a small gap or use a fingernail or thin plastic pick to begin lifting the protector a few millimeters. Lift slowly to avoid tearing adhesive. You do this because steady, gentle separation prevents damage to the screen coating and gives you control over the peel angle. You continue by maintaining a low-angle peel and steady pace. Pulling at about 10 to 30 degrees reduces stress on the glass and prevents sudden jerks. Make short pauses every few inches to check for residue and to realign your grip. Use a clean microfiber cloth to lift loose dust rather than wiping aggressively. If the film tears, don't force the remaining piece. Apply a strip of clear tape, press gently. Then lift the torn bit slowly, so you finish by clearing any leftover adhesive and confirming the screen is intact. Use one gentle pass with a microfiber cloth or a dedicated adhesive removal pad, wiping in straight strokes to avoid streaks. After that, power up and test display and touch response to make sure nothing shifted during removal. If you see mild haze or sticky spots, apply a tiny amount of 99% isopropyl alcohol to the cloth, not the screen, and rub gently. If problems persist, stop and consult a professional repair service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.